Hey, do you want to efficiently align groups of components? You can use Altium's Align menu to do this. Let's do an example. I'll select this entire column, and I'll press A. I'll then say, Align horizontal centers, and choose the first part as my reference. I can hit A again, and then distribute vertically. Let's align this entire row. I'll select all of these parts, press A, and I'll say Align vertical centers, again to the first part. Let's repeat this process. A, align vertical centers to this part, and then one more time. Now, I need to align this entire column. I'll hit A. I'll say align horizontal centers to this part. The last step now is to just distribute all of these components evenly between everything else. You might have noticed in pressing A that there's actually a shortcut for this. Let's try using it. Select this entire row, Control-Shift-H. Again, the middle row, Control-Shift-H, and one more time. In this way, we've actually aligned all of our parts perfectly. That's all. Thanks for watching.